Hi everybody, I was gifted a Christmas tree. Let's put it together. It could not be easier. I already have the base out. It comes in 4 sections and it has this really easy to use instruction manual. Super easy. So put your gloves on because it has flocking so that you keep your hands looking nice. And let's put it together. Okay, we're gonna start with the base. This has the cord on it. We're gonna put it in. And then tighten. And then open it up and the branches just fall out. Going to spin this around so that my cord is close to the plug. And then I have the middle part and the top. All you do is just pop the middle part in. And that's it, it lights up. Easy and gorgeous. Let's take some close-up looks. This is so gorgeous. It looks like real snow. I love this with just simple glass ornaments. It's just so elegant. This comes in many different sizes. It's so easy to put together. Just so realistic, so full, so lush, and look at it in the dimmer lighting. I love the power connection system. Just it breeze to set up, and the flocking is gorgeous. This is very durable and made with really high premium quality materials. The hinge design makes it just a breeze, and it is stunning. Merry Christmas, everyone. Check this one out. Links and sizing are below.